Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good. Now the first question is, everyone, what do you mean by, what do you mean by, what do you mean by style? What do you mean by style? How, how will you, how will you, how will you apply, how will you apply built-in, built-in style to text? How will you apply built-in style to text? Built-in style to the text. So this is the question. What do you mean by style? How will you apply built-in style to text? Now the answer. Answer, everyone. Style is a style. Style is a predefined. Is a style is a predefined. Defined. It is a predefined combination of formatting features, font style, comma, font color or color, font color, comma, font size, font size of text that can be applied to the selected text in order to change its appearance. So see here, question है what do you mean by style? So आप लोगों को जब चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे at that time only I have told it is what? It is a combination of font style, font color and font size of the text. कोई भी टेक्स्ट में अगर हम font style means what? Font family. You can write here in place of font style, font family also. Font family, font color or font size of a text that can be applied to the selected text in order to change its appearance. Now here, so this answer is only for the first part of the question, what is a style. Now the second part of the question is how will you apply built-in style to the text. Built-in. So answer of the second part. Now see here, इसको practically देखिए here MS Word. In the MS Word, so how we can apply the built-in style. Now suppose I have written here CMIS, Creative Minds. See here everyone. So I have written here Creative Mind. Don't discuss anything. So suppose I have written Creative Mind. So I want to apply the built-in style. So in the Home tab, select this Creative Minds. Select this text. In the Home tab, we have the option Styles Group. In the Styles Group, select any style. These are built-in style. Already ये style बना हुआ है. MS Word में ये style already है. ठीक है ना? So just you have to select this. So this whatever the style you want, just select it. Okay. So this option built-in style कैसे apply होगा? In the home, first select the text. Then in the Home tab, go to Styles Group. Then select the built-in style. So everyone write the answer. So answer for the second part of the same question. Answer of the second part of the same question. Select the text. Select the text. Select the text. Then go to styles group. Style group of home tab. Go select the text, then you can write home tab. Go to home tab. Here home tab. Then in the home tab you have to go to styles group. In the styles group select the styles. 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 So this is the answer of the first question. Answer of the first question. Now the second question is, so first question is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now the second question is, what is clip art? Clip art. What is clip art? Clip art क्या होता है? Second question. Now the answer of second question. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed. It is a gallery of pre-designed. It is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. So second question, clip art जब मैं बता रहा था ये प्रैक्टिकल करके भी दिखाया था. Second question answer. Now the third question, what are shapes? What are shapes? What are shapes? Shapes are the drawing features. Shapes are the drawing features that helps us to draw different shapes like triangle, square, rectangle, banner. You can include star, and etc. So this question also, while explaining this chapter, I have shown you how we can draw different kinds of shapes. Shapes हम लोग कैसे draw कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना? So shapes हम लोग generally use करते हैं for drawing the rectangle. Means different types of shapes you can draw. Not only this triangle, you can draw the lines also. Lines also you can draw. So using shapes means shapes are used to draw different types of shapes like lines, triangles, square, rectangle, banner, star, okay, and etc. Not only this, apart from this, different symbols are also there. See here in the insert tab, here is the option shapes. So in the shapes you can draw the different types of line. we can draw the different types of lines. See here in the insert tab, shapes group. In the illustration groups, click on shapes. So you can draw line. You can draw lines. We can draw rectangle. You can draw circles also. Circles and arrow also you can draw. Not only this, banners here, stars and banners also you can draw. Okay. So in the answer you can include. In the answer you can here include lines, triangle, square, rectangle, banner. Yes, don't discuss anything. So these things we can draw easily. These things you can draw easily. Yes. So here you can include arrow also. Yes, in the shapes. Don't discuss anything. So here after like you can write lines, comma, arrow. Arrow also you can include. Arrow, triangle, square, rectangle, banner, star, etc. Okay. So fourth question I have discussed. Now the third question. Fourth question is what is the use of word art features. Word art feature. This also I have explained. Word art features also I have already explained. Just write the answer. Only the question answer is pending, so that one I am discussing here. So what is the use of word art? Word art is, it is used yes. So it is used to create the yes, IUC. It is used to create the spatial effect. It is used to create the spatial effect. Now question number 4. What is the use of word art features? What is the use of word art?
एक मिनट थर्ड नंबर का आंसर दिखाइए ना.
Third number answer
लास्ट में सर.
I will share in the group also, don't worry, just write the fourth number. So it is word art feature is used